Rizal in Hong Kong and Macau 1888.
After leaving the Philippines due to Spanish suspicion of his activities, Dr. Jose Rizal arrived in Hong Kong on February 3, 1888, aboard the Zafiro. His visit to Hong Kong and Macau provided him with a new insights into colonial rule, trade, and cultural diversity, which he later documented in his writings. Rizal in Hong Kong. Rizal stayed at the Victoria Hotel and spent time exploring the city. He was fascinated by its modern infrastructure and their British colonial rule and noted the efficiency and discipline of the administration. Unlike the Philippines, which was under Spanish rule, Hong Kong thrived as a major trade hub with a mix of British, Chinese, and Indian influences. During his stay, Rizal met with Jose Maria Basa, a fellow Filipino reformist and businessman. He also observed the city's industries, schools, and public services, which he compared to the backwardness of the Philippines. Rizal was particularly impressed by how the British governed the colony, contrasting it with the inefficiencies of Spanish rule in his homeland. Rizal in Macau. On February 8, Rizal traveled to Macau with Basa. Upon arrival, they were welcomed by Don Juan Francisco Licaros, a wealthy Filipino resident who hosted them during their visit. Rizal described Macau as a small but lively city with a strong mix of Portuguese and Chinese culture. While in Macau, Rizal visited temples, casino, and government buildings. He was particularly intrigued by the Chinese way of life, their costumes, and religious practices. One event that caught his attention was a traditional Chinese funeral procession, which he noted in his journal describing its elaborate rituals and deep sense of reverence for the dead. Return to Hong Kong and departure for Japan. After a short stay, Rizal returned to Hong Kong when he prepared for his next journey. Before leaving, he reflected on the city's progress and the freedom it offered compared to the Spanish-controlled Philippines. On February 18, 1888, he boarded a ship bound for Japan, continuing his travels and broadening his knowledge of the world. Rizal's observations in Hong Kong and Macau reinforced his ideas about governance, nationalism, and the need for reforms in the Philippines. His travels exposed him to different systems of administration, which later influenced his writings and advocacy for Philippine independence.